kids, welcome to the number cult. Today we are going to learn the continuation of percentage, the conversions we are learning. So today now we are learning percentage into decimals and decimals into percentages. So let us understand how it is done. Let's begin. So first I have taken, you can see 66%, 74%, then 135%, 8.9% and 2.05%. So these are my questions. Let us do understand with these questions. So 66%. 66% is 66 by 100. We divide by 100. Percent means we divide by 100. 66 by 100. Now you see how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So it will go 2 places to the left. So the decimal point will be there 2 places. It will be placed 2 places to the left. So 0.66. See, decimal point, it will go 2 places to the left, and for whole number 0. So 0.66. Now 74%. 74%, 74 by 100. And similar way 0.74. Writing decimal. Next 135%. 135 by 100. Now here you see we have 3 digits on top, that is 135, and below you have 100. So 2 zeros. So decimal point will be placed just before the 2 digits, because 2 decimal places we will get because we have 2 zeros. So 1.35. Now next 8.9%. 8.9 by 100. 8.9 by 100. So that is you have to now this decimal point, it will move 2 places to the left. So it will be 0.089, because 8.9 by 100%. And you can see you have already a decimal point here, but below you have 2 zeros because you are dividing by 100. So 2 places, the decimal places point will move 2 places to the left. So 8 and 0 and then decimal point. So 0.089. Now 2.05%. So 2.05 by 100. Now you can see in the numerator the decimal point is already there, 2.05. Now after that you are dividing by 100 because percent. So the decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So it will be 0.0205. So I hope that you are very clear how to convert percentages into decimal. So what did we do? We divided by 100 and then we just placed the decimal place in the right place. So 66%, that is 0.66. 74%, 0.74, because we are dividing by 100. So 2 decimal places. We get 2 decimal places. Now 135%, 135 by 100. We get 2 decimal places, so 1.35. Now 8.9%, 8.9 by 100, and we have to get 2 decimal places as we are dividing by 100. So 2 places to shifted 2 places to the left. So 0.089. Next 2.05%, that is 2.05 by 100% is we are dividing by 100. So 2 places to the left, the decimal point has to move. So it has moved 2 places to the left. So our answer is 0.0205. I hope this part is clear with you. Now we will do decimal to percentages. We will do convert decimal to percentages. So here you can see decimal. What is the rule? We have to multiply by 100. Just multiply by 100 and place the percent symbol. So here 0.93 multiplied by 100 and a percent symbol. And what will be our answer? 93%. Our answer will be 93%. It is 93%. Now 3.9. So 3.9 multiplied by 100 and percent symbol. Now 3.9, so you can see 2 zeros, so decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So 390%. Now next 0.02. So 0.02 multiplied by 100 and percent symbol. And next, how you have to what you have to write? You can see 0.02. So 2 places to the right. Decimal place point will move 2 places. So it is 2%. It is just 2%. Now 0.076 multiplied by 100 and you write here percent symbol. So here you can see 2 zeros, so 2 places to the right. So 7.6%. And now 0.5. So 0.5 multiplied by 100 and we write the percent symbol, 50%. So now let's check once again. 0.93 multiplied by 100, because when we are converting decimal to percent, just simply we need to multiply by 100 and place the percent symbol outside the bracket. So 0.93, 93%, 3.9, 390%, and 0.02, 2%, 0.076, 7.6%, and 0.5, it is 50%. I hope today you have understood very clearly and it is really useful to you. So don't forget, if you find it is really useful, even it can help your friends. So please share it and like and subscribe. Thank you.